In the deep blue sea, there lived a fish. Not just an ordinary fish, but the most beautiful fish in the entire ocean. The other fish were amazed at her glittering beauty. They called her Rainbow Fish.
Sa dako pa roon ng karagatan, matatagpuan ang isang di pangkaraniwang isda. Siya ay pinakamagandang isda sa buong karagatan. Ang ibang isda ay namamangha sa kanyang kumikinang na kagandahan. Siya ay tinatawag nilang bahagharing isda.
Hi everybody, I'm Rainbow Fish. Look at me, every shade of blue, green and purple with sparkling silver scales along my body. I'm not just an ordinary fish, but the most beautiful fish in the entire ocean. Hi, ako si Rainbow Fish. Tingnan niyo ako, may iba-iba akong kulay at nagtitintabang kaliskis. Ako ang pinakamagandang isda sa buong karagatan. Come on, Rainbow Fish. Play with us. Halika na, magkaroon na tayo.
But the rainbow fish just glided fast, proud and silent, letting her scales shimmer. One day, the little bluefish followed after her.
Ngunit ang bahagharing isda ay mabilis na pumalayo. Tahimik at pinagmalaki ang kinang ng kanyang kaliskis. Isang araw ay sinundan siya ng isang maliit at asul na isda.
Fight for me, Rainbow Fish. Please give me one of your shiny scales. They are so wonderful and you are so many. Please give me only one tiny one. Inside down. Kanina ano, inside mong kaliski. You want me to give you one of my special scales? Who do you think you are? Never! Get away from me! Gusto mong ibigay ko sa iyo ang isa kong napakagandang kaliskis? Sino ka? Hindi! Umalis ka!
The little bluefish was shocked and very upset, and told all her friends what happened. From then on, no one wanted to know about the rainbow fish. They swam away and she swam by.
Ang maliit at asul na isda ay nagulat at nagalit at sinabi niya sa kanyang mga kaibigan ang nangyayari. Mula noon ay wala nang gustong makialam sa bahagharing isda. Sila ay lumalayo pag nakikita nila ang bahagharing isda.
What good are the glamorous shiny scales if no one admires them? Ano ang kagandahan ng aking makikintab na kaliskis kung walang humahanga?
Now, she was one of the longest fish in the entire ocean. One day, she poured out her feelings to starfish.
Ngayon, siya na ang pinakamalungkot na isda sa karagatan. Kaya isang araw ay binuhos niya ang kanyang nararamdaman sa isdang bituin.
Am I really beautiful? Why doesn't anyone like me? Talaga bang maganda ako? Bakit walang magusto sa akin?
I can't answer that for you. But if you go beyond the coral reef to the deep cave, you will find the wise octopus. Maybe he can help you. Hindi kita masagot yan. Ngunit kung puntahan mo ang ibayong karagatan sa ilalim na kuweba, makikita mo ang mahalin mo tubigan. Baka matulungan ka niya.
Rainbow fish finds the cave, but it is very dark inside. She couldn't see anything. And then suddenly, two eyes appeared from the dark. The octopus emerged from the darkness.
Natagpuan ng bahagharing isda ang kuweba, ngunit ito ay napakadilim sa loob. Wala siyang makikita at biglang may lumitaw na dalawang mata sa dilim. Ang pugita ay sumulpot galing sa kadiliman.
I have been waiting for you, the way you sent me your story. This is my advice. you give your glittering scales to each of the other fish. You're no longer the most beautiful fish in the entire ocean, but you'll discover how to be happy. Matagal nakitang hinihintay, dinadala ng abong ang iyong kwento. Ang payo ko sa iyo, ibigay mo ang iyong kulikiinan na kaliskis sa ibang na isda. Hindi man ikaw ang pinakamagandang isda sa buong karagatan, hindi matutuklasan mo ang kung paano maging masaya.
I can't give away my scales, my beautiful tiny scales. Never, never. How could I ever be happy without them? Ayoko ipinagay ang aking mga kaliskis, ang aking nagagandahan kaliskis, hindi magpakailanman.
The rainbow fish argues furiously, but the mysterious octopus had already disappeared. Suddenly, rainbow fish felt a light touch in her fin. The little blue fish is back.
Galit na nakipagtalo ang pagharing isda, ngunit biglang naglaho ang maiwagang pugita. Biglang may dumapyo sa kanyang palikpik. Ang maliit at asul na isda ay bumalik.
Please, rainbow fish, don't be angry. I just want one little scale, please. Huwag kang magalit. Gusto ko lang na maliit ng kaliskis. Only one very, very tiny shimmering scale. Maybe I wouldn't miss just one. Here's one of my tiny scales. Isang napakaliit na kaliskis lang naman. Ito ang isa kong maliit na kaliskis. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yippee! Yippee! Salamat. Maraming salamat. Yippee! Yippee!
The little blue fish bubbled happily, swimming back and forth with her new scale glittering in the water. It didn't take long before the blue fish, surrounded by other blue fish, also wanted a glittering scale. The rainbow fish shared left and right. The more she gives, the more delighted she becomes. When the water around her fills with glamorous scales, she at last feels at home, along with other fish. Finally, the rainbow fish has only one scale left. Her most precious possession was given away. Yet she is very, very, very happy.
Ang maliit at asul na isda ay masaya at bultahang lumalangoy sa kanyang kumikinang na kaliskis. Hindi nagtagal ang ibang mga asul na isda ay gusto rin ng kumikinang na kaliskis. Kaliwat kanan niyang namamahagi ang bahaghari isda. Ikinagagalak niya ang pamimigal. Nang mapuno ng mapaghalinang kaliskis ang kanyang paligid, gumaan ang kanyang pakiramdam, kasama ang ibang mga isda. Sa wakas ay iisa na lang ang natira sa kanya dahil na ipamahagi na niya ang kanyang mamahaling pag-aari. Gayunpaman, siya ay masayang masaya.
The end.
Wakas.